One of the main jobs of the Legislative Council is to consider and review bills or proposed laws, like this one, that have already been passed by the lower house of Parliament, the Legislative Assembly. Members of this House will then go on to debate and consider changes to the bills which, if passed, will go on to be the laws for Western Australia.
Members, the question is the bill be read a first time. All those of that opinion say aye. Aye. To the contrary, no. I think the ayes have it. Clerk.
Building and Construction Industry Security of Payment Bill 2021, first reading.
It's important to remember that a bill can be introduced a first time in this House and, if passed, will be sent to the lower house for debate and consideration and finally voted on by the members of that House.